Look at him. Hanging out. Oh, there he goes. Hedgehog. Abby, I need to bring you to this house to see these creatures. And what's this one over here? Chinchilla. A little turtle over here. What? Say hi. That's you. So that hedgehog was pretty awesome. I already want one. Probably won't get one, but however, those little thistles were incredibly sharp, but the chinchilla was super duper soft. First time holding a chinchilla, first time holding a hedgehog, but there are some very generous people in this world. It's good to be kind. Got hooked up with this from another guy today, and I tell you, these are really good brands. So, leaf blower, excited to use that, and pay it forward. It's always good. So tonight we get to head over to someone's home who has probably the most awesome train setup I have ever seen inside someone's home. This thing is absolutely phenomenal, breathtaking. So I'm hoping to get some video of that. Should be good. All right, we made it to the Christmas house. Mine's almost this big. Not. Abby, what do you think? Hey there, Edward.
I think it's really cool.
Hi.
Whoa, look, there's the big bear.
There's the owner, Jeffrey. You remember getting a picture next to those? The revolving tree.
Oh, like, it's big.
Yes.
That's cute.
Cherry. There's a cherry in there. You gotta take a bite.
Homeowner, Miss Susan.
Oh. Well, we're having chocolate covered cherries. They're amazing. Is that good?
So those are the same type of traps that I have. Same type of trap. Which means I can add to my collection. And one day, mine will look like this.
Help me with the rules. Make sure I have this right. You can K. Number 2 gets a gift, and they can either take number 1's gift or pick another one under the tree.
So you're letting
One's a gift is
Or-
so number 1 is
They can steal.
Yeah, I was thinking when we had those cards.
Number
Put them in
1,
an envelope.
or
Miss Patsy.
Patsy. Watch out, you don't get to open it.
But I can't unwrap it. I know I can.
When I first got here. Okay, so that's very pretty wrapped. Whoever did that.
That is beautiful.
Nice.
Where's Bob? He's sick.
I'll tell you just now, missed him.
Well,
No, I meant to ask you earlier.
Yeah,
And
me
I'll break
too.
his heart. I missed it, yeah.
Here, hold this. Before I do the.
Sorry he's sick. What kind of hurt? Is it GI? No, it's his lungs, you know, he's falling.
Yeah, last year he didn't go it for 3 months.
We're at school?
Okay, now I'm hot.
What do you want, honey?
He wants the bottle.
Nobody takes it off after you got it made.
She likes the Santa Claus.
Did you want to steal anything, honey, or you like
Hey,
to
you
open
can
it?
wash with it.
Choose
How about
wisely.
that?
Don't disappoint your daddy. Come on now.
They're a team, so they're working as a team.
Yeah, they did all that planning.
Yeah. Well, you can do it. There you go. You got it.
You need help? Oh, why did you take that from Mr. Dennis?
Because I let him.
Oh, okay.
What you got, Eddie?
Let's see what you got, Abby.
Oh my. Abby, you like that? That's perfect for you.
That wasn't big enough to eat it.
Yeah. Notebooks? You like notebooks?
Oh.
Stationery.
What's this?
Edward.
Let me see, Edward.
So
Honey.
you'll
So?
like that,
Ooh.
but you're gonna
For
like
your
this.
bubble
Isn't
bath,
it?
Abby.
What is that, Ab? What is that? They like to see. Hey, hey, hey. What is it?
Nice, Ed.
Ooh, another candle warmer,
But
oil
this-
warmer. So you have cherry blossom oil, and it says "Friends are flowers."
Oh, wow.
Now, would you like to steal this from a little girl? She's 8 years old. Edward's gift.
Yay!
Hey.
Yay!
Here's the nighttime setup. Pretty cool. You like it? Yes?
What's that?